Should creamy layer principle be applied to SC/ST reservations also? Come, read with me. Why has the creamy layer debate returned to the court? Now, first, what exactly is reservation? Let us understand that. In India, reservation means giving some seats in colleges, government jobs, and politics to historically disadvantaged communities, and these include SC, ST, and OBCs. Now, the idea is to correct centuries of social discrimination and lack of opportunities. Now, what exactly is this creamy layer? Imagine a family from a reserved category becomes financially and socially well settled. For example, parents have top government jobs, children study in the best schools, family has money, networks, and advantages. Currently, for OBCs, creamy layer rules apply. Wealthier families are excluded from reservation benefits, but for SC and ST, creamy layer generally does not apply in the same way. Now, why is this debate happening right now? The recent interpretation of a court judgment has sparked discussions on whether reservation within SC/ST categories should be more targeted. Some argue benefits are repeatedly going to a relatively better off section within SC/ST communities. The most marginalized people are still not getting enough access. So they ask, should benefits go first to those who are still truly disadvantaged? Now, why are people opposing the creamy layer of SC/ST? Many say this logic is flawed. Why? Because SC/ST disadvantage is not just about money. Even the rich or educated SC/ST person may still face caste discrimination, social exclusion, prejudice in marriage, housing, workplace, etc. For example, a wealthy Dalit student can still face caste bias despite having money. So, critics say reservation is all about social discrimination, not poverty alone. Now, money cannot erase caste stigma overnight. The core constitutional issues are: the debate is about what reservation is meant for. View 1, economic filtering approach, use creamy layer to ensure benefits reach the poorest and most backward first. View 2, social justice approach. Now, SC/ST reservation exists because of historically oppressive and untouchability, which are different from economic backwardness. Hence, creamy layer may weaken constitutional protection. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this. The first is the social dimension, raises questions: does economic progress remove caste discrimination? Second is the constitutional dimension, where some relevant articles are there. Article 15(4), which is special provisions for backward classes. Article 16(4), which is a reservation in public employment. Article 17, which is abolition of untouchability. Article 46, which is promotion of weaker sections. And then there is a legal dimension. Indira Sawney judgment introduced creamy layer for OBCs. New judgments have reopened debate on sub-classification within SC/ST. Then there is a political dimension. Reservation is highly sensitive politically. And then there is a ethical dimension, balancing equality of opportunity, targeted justice, fairness within reserved communities. Let us talk about the UPSC relevance. This becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2, polity and governance, and for GS paper 1, Indian society. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.